This property says that when three or more numbers can be grouped to perform mathematical operation in any order, it does not affect on the answer. Okay, so let us see associativity property for rational numbers. We have to discuss all the mathematical operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, if they are associative for the rational numbers or not. Okay, so let us start with addition. Now for the addition here, if A plus B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C, then addition is associative for rational numbers. Look at here. Here I made the group of two numbers B and C in LHS, and in RHS I made the group of number A and B. Okay. So now LHS is equal to here A plus B plus C. I take the number here. Value of A is negative 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5 plus negative 5 upon 6. Okay. Now first we have to solve the bracket. In bracket there are two fractions and middle sign is plus. Okay. So look at these two fractions. Here denominator is different, right? So for if denominator is different, then we have to take cross multiplication. We have to equalize the denominator. For this we take here cross multiplication. So my first fraction is as it is, negative 2 upon 3 plus, in bracket here 3 upon 5. This positive into negative. Now positive into negative is negative. Negative 5 upon 6. Okay. So this will equal to negative 2 upon 3 plus, here the cross multiplication is 3 6 are 18, negative 5 5s are 25 upon 6 5s are 30. Okay, 18 minus 25 upon 30. So therefore here LHS is equal to negative 2 upon 3 plus, in bracket here 18 minus 25. Now signs are different, so we have to perform here subtraction and put the bigger sign or sign of the bigger number for the answer. So now 25 minus 18 is 7. So answer is negative 7 upon 30. Negative 7 upon 30. Right? Now here again positive into negative is negative. That is negative 2 upon 3, negative 7 upon 30. Okay. Now again we have to subtract these two fractions and denominators are different. Okay. But look at here. Here denominator of the second fraction is 30 and the first fraction is 3. So it is easy to equalize the denominator by LCM. Okay. Now LCM of 3 and 30 is 30. Right. So we have to multiply this first fraction by 10. Okay. So here I multiply the first fraction by 10. We get here negative 20. Negative 20 upon 30 minus 7 upon 30. Right? Negative 20 upon 30 minus 7 upon 30. Now denominators are same. So my negative 20 minus negative 20 minus 7 is negative 27 upon 30. Negative 27 upon 30. Now what is the simplest form here? What is the simplest form? Okay, this 27 and 30 both are comes in table of 3. So here we divide numerator and denominator by the number 3. So here I get 3 9s are 27 and 3 10s are 30. Here there is a negative sign, so answer is negative. So we get the answer in LHS as negative 9 upon 10. Okay. Now For the RHS, we have to perform this operation. We have to make group of A and B here. A plus B plus C. Okay? Here A plus B plus C. Now we have to solve first the bracket. Here the denominators are different. So for this we take cross multiplication. Very nice. So after cross multiplication we get here negative 2 into 5 is negative 10. Plus 3 into 3 is 9 divided by 15. Plus into minus here. Plus into minus is minus 5 upon 6. Right? Now in bracket negative 10 plus 9. Negative 10 plus 9 is negative 1. Very nice. Negative 1 upon 15. Negative 5 upon 6. Okay? Now denominators are different. So for this we take here cross multiplication. Okay? So here negative 1 into 6, negative 6 minus 15 5s are 75 divided by 15 6 are 90. Right? Now negative 6 minus negative 75. Now signs are same. So take addition. 75 plus 6, that is 81. Right? 75 plus 6 is 81. And same sign for the answer. That is negative. Negative 81 upon 90. Okay. Now what is the simplest form of this rational number? Check. The numbers 81 and 90 comes in which table? They are coming table of 9. Right? 9 9s are 81 and 9 10s are 90. Here there is a negative sign. Therefore answer is negative. Okay? So look at the LHS and RHS here. Now here LHS is negative 9 upon 10. Also RHS is negative 9 upon 10. Means what? LHS is equals to RHS. LHS is equals to RHS. That means we get here A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. These both sides are equal. This shows that addition is associative for rational number. This shows that addition is associative for rational numbers. Okay, students? So now we perform next operation, which is subtraction. Now for the subtraction, here we have to show that A minus B minus C is equal to A minus B minus C. Okay? We have to show that if the LHS is equals to RHS or not. Okay? So look at here. For this, here I take three rational numbers. Value of A is negative 2 upon 3, B is negative 4 upon 5 and value of C is half, 1 upon 2. So, shall I start? Okay. So, LHS is A minus B minus C. Substituting values of A, B and C. Okay. Now, we have to solve first the bracket. Okay. In this bracket here, denominators of two fractions are different. So here we have to take cross multiplication, right? So by cross multiplication here we get negative 4 into 2 is 8 minus 1 into 5 is 5 and 5 2s are 10. Okay? That means here we get negative 2 upon 3, negative 8 minus 3 is 8 minus 5 is 3 upon 10. Right? Now we have to perform subtraction for these two rational numbers. And here also denominators are different. Okay? So my dear students, remember that whenever we add or subtract two fractions or two rational numbers, then their denominator must be same. If the denominators are not same, then your first duty is you have to equalize the denominator first. Okay? So here for equalization of denominator we take cross multiplication. So negative 2 into 10 negative 20 minus 3 into 3 is 9 upon 3 into 10 is 30. So my answer is negative 20, negative 9 is negative 29 upon 30. Okay. So in LHS we get the answer negative 29 upon 30. Okay. Now for the RHS here, now we made the group of A minus B here. A and B is the group. Okay. So first we have to solve bracket. First we have to subtract A minus B. Okay. So again, since denominators are different, we have to perform cross multiplication, right? So here negative 2 into 5, negative 10, negative 4 into 3 is 12, divided by 3 into 5 is 15, minus 1 upon 2. Now here negative 10, negative 12 is signs are different, signs are same. So take the addition 12 plus 10, that is 22, and the sign is same, which is negative. Negative here 22 divided by 15 minus 1 upon 2. Right? Now again denominators are different. So for this again we have to perform cross multiplication. So negative 22 into 2, negative 44 minus 15 ones are 15 divided by 30. Here, so our answer is now 44. Negative 44 minus negative 15. So answer is negative 59 upon 30. My answer is negative 59 upon 30. Now look at the board. Students, here value of LHS is negative 29 upon 30 and the value of RHS is negative 59 upon 30. Is the LHS is equals to RHS? No. Here LHS does not matches with RHS. That means here we get A minus B minus C is not equals to A minus B minus C. So this shows that, yes, this shows that subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. Subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. Okay. Now our third mathematical operation is multiplication. So it is very simple. Okay. Now for multiplication we have to check this A into B into C is equal to A into B in first bracket into C. Okay. So for this LHS is A into B into C. Okay. So first we multiply B into C, then multiplying with A. So here I get negative 7 upon 3 into, in here bracket, while doing the multiplication, perform numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator. So 5 into 2 is 10 upon 4 into 9, 36. Right? Now tell me the answer here. Negative 7 into 10. Negative 7 into 10 is negative 70. And what is the multiplication of 36 into 3? Which is 108. Right? So your answer is negative 70 upon 108. Right? Now for the RHS we have to first multiply A into B. So here A into B, negative 7 into 5, which is negative 35 upon here 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12 into here 2 upon 9. Okay. So negative 35 into 2 is negative 70 upon 12 into 9 is 108. 12 9s are 108. 108. That means here LHS is matches with RHS. LHS is equals to RHS. So this shows that multiplication is associative. Multiplication is associative for rational numbers. Okay. So this is very simple. And now our last operation, that is division. We have to check is the division is associative. division. So here we have to check A divided by B divided by C is equals A divided by B divided by C. Okay. So for this, here I take three rational numbers. A is 1 by 2, B is negative 1 upon 3, C is 2 upon 5. Okay. So for this LHS, we solve the bracket first. So that is 1 upon 2 divided by here negative 1 upon 3. Now here the sign is division. So this sign will changes to multiplication, and here we take reciprocal of this number, which is 5 upon 2. Okay. So here we get 1 upon 2 divided by here multiplication is negative 1 into 5, negative 5 upon 3 2s are 6. Right? Now again we have to do the division here. So 1 divided by 2. This division will changes to multiplication, and reciprocal of negative 5 upon 6 is 6 upon negative 5. Right? Now the multiplication is 6 1s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. So answer is negative 6 upon 10. So what is the simplest form of this? Okay, this 6 and 10 comes in level of 2. So I divided by these two numbers, numerator and denominator, by 2. So for this we get here 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. So my answer is negative 3 upon 5 or 3 upon negative 5. Okay. So this is our LHS. Now go for the RHS. Now in RHS here, first we have to solve the bracket, that is A divided by B. First we operate A divided by B. So look at the board here. 1 upon 2. Division will changes to multiplication, and reciprocal of this number is 3 upon negative 1. Okay. Keep this term in bracket. Now here 1 into 3 is 3, 2 into negative 1 is negative 2, and here also the division will changes to multiplication, and reciprocal of this number is 3 upon 2. That means 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4. Okay, so my answer is here negative 9 upon 4 or 9 upon negative 4. Okay, so look at here LHS and RHS. Here LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equals to RHS. That means here A divided by B divided by C. This does not equals to A divided by B divided by C. Now this shows that rational numbers or divisions is not associative for rational number. Division is not associative for rational numbers. Okay. So students, we discuss here associativity property for the rational number. This property says that here addition is associative for rational number, multiplication is associative for rational number, and subtraction and division are not associative for the rational numbers. Okay students, do you understand this? Okay, so listen this video carefully, watch this video carefully, write down all the examples in your notebook and try this property rational numbers, associative property for rational numbers by taking different types of numbers. Okay, here take the value A, B, C. You take another values for A, B and C and try it as a homework. Okay, so now your today's homework is you have to perform associativity property for rational numbers by taking values, different